Right now, you're pumping poison into your engine and calling it premium. That gas station you trust is quietly destroying your car one tank at a time. The damage could cost you $4,000 in repairs you never saw coming. The fuel industry has hidden this for over 20 years. Here's what they don't want you to know. That premium gas you're paying extra for might be doing absolutely nothing. That bargain fuel could be depositing 19 times more carbon than quality fuel. And it's completely legal. I'm exposing 10 gas station brands ripping you off right now. 70% water sold as premium, $4,000 repair bills from one fill-up, and exactly which stations actually protect your engine. Subscribe now. This will change how you fuel your car forever. Let's get into it. Gas station brand number 1, BP and Amoco, the great betrayal. You see that green and yellow BP logo and assume major brand equals quality fuel. For over a decade, that was true. BP held full top-tier certification, meeting the highest detergent standards in the industry. Here's the dirty secret. BP quietly dropped their top-tier certification in late 2021. No announcement, no warning. They just vanished from the list. Over 7,000 BP stations and 600 Amoco locations across America. Millions of drivers affected with zero idea anything changed. According to AAA testing, non-top-tier gasoline causes 19 times more engine deposits than certified brands after just 4,000 miles. Here's what really gets me. The cost to maintain top-tier levels is less than 1 cent per gallon. BP abandoned certification to save fractions of a penny while risking thousands in damage to your engine. Since they dropped out, franchise owners control quality at each location. One BP might maintain standards. The next cuts every corner. You're gambling every fill-up. The math is brutal. 3 cents saved per gallon equals $18 yearly. Carbon repair runs $1,500 to $3,500. One cleaning wipes out 2 centuries of savings. Switch to Chevron, Shell, or Costco for guaranteed protection. Gas station brand number 2, Circle K, the quality downgrade. Circle K operates over 6,600 stations nationwide. That familiar orange and red logo feels safe and reliable. The truth is far worse. Circle K held top-tier certification when partnered with Phillips 66 and Shell back in 2019. After rebranding, they were removed from the top-tier list entirely. Now it's complete mystery fuel. No disclosed refinery source, no transparency on additive levels, zero accountability. They claim detergents are still added but refuse to disclose concentration levels or formulas. Top-tier requires 200 to 400 parts per million of cleaning additives. Circle K could be running half that and still meet the worthless EPA minimum. Remember, EPA minimum fuel creates 19 times more deposits than top tier. A Volkswagen GTI owner documented using Circle K exclusively for 30,000 miles. Result? Severe carbon buildup requiring $1,200 in walnut blasting at just 45,000 miles. That's cleaning needed 30,000 miles earlier than normal. The real cost breakdown. Circle K saves $30 to $60 yearly. Early carbon cleaning runs $600 to $1,200. Net loss over 100,000 miles. $1,500 to $3,400. Skip Circle K, drive to Shell, Chevron, Costco, or Quick Trip instead. Now here's the thing. If you've been filling up at Circle K or any non-top tier station for months, carbon deposits are already building inside your engine. The good news, you can reverse some of that damage. A fuel system cleaner like Chevron Techron breaks down carbon deposits on intake valves and injectors. One bottle every 3,000 to 5,000 miles keeps your engine running clean, even if you accidentally grab bad gas on a road trip. Costs about $12. Prevents $1,200 walnut blasting. I use it myself. Link in the description. Hit that like button if this is opening your eyes. Gas station brand number 3, Arco, the water contamination nightmare, April 2025. Multiple drivers filled up at an Arco station in Wilmington, Ohio, pumping premium 93 octane. Within 1 mile, their vehicles sputtered and stalled. Mechanic testing revealed the premium gasoline was 70% water, not 7%, 70% water. Victim John Toth noticed the pump dispensing slower than normal. It took 15 minutes to pump pump just $5 of fuel. He drove away anyway. His car died within minutes. Repair bills ranged from $900 to $1,600 per victim. Josh Waddle paid $1,600 total, including a $500 tow. Diagnosis across all cases: extreme fuel contamination, the #1 cause. Delivery drivers forgetting to replace underground tank covers after filling. These tanks hold 8,000 gallons. Next rainfall pours directly in. ARCO stations often run older infrastructure with higher contamination risk. State data shows water contamination accounts for over 20% of all fuel violations. Inspections happen once per year, 364 days between checks. Water and fuel destroys your fuel pump, $400 to $800. Corrodes injectors, $400 to $800 each. Severe cases cause engine hydrolock, $3,000 to $8,000 in damage. Protect yourself. Avoid flood-prone areas. Wait 3 to 5 days after heavy rain. Slow pump speed equals contamination red flag. Gas station brand number 4. Murphy USA, the Walmart deception. Over 1,500 Murphy USA locations sit in Walmart parking lots nationwide. The psychology is brilliant. If Walmart partners with them, they must be good. You save 5 to 15 cents per gallon feeling smart about it. Here's the truth. Murphy USA has never achieved top-tier certification. Their fuel meets only bare minimum EPA standards, the same standards the automotive industry rejected as insufficient over 20 years ago. Real disasters exposed in 2024 tell the story. A Prosper, Texas driver filled diesel exhaust fluid from a Murphy USA pump. The fluid was contaminated with water. Repair bill, $2,700. Murphy USA's initial response: denial. Case 2, May 2024. A Hummer H2 owner filled up with Murphy Premium after the station flooded. Result: water-contaminated fuel. Estimated repair, $10,000 to $15,000. Murphy USA admitted contamination via email. Their settlement offer: $500 for a $15,000 repair. Murphy USA operates on volume discount pricing. That means minimal maintenance budgets, older underground infrastructure with higher leak risk, and basic additive packages meeting EPA minimum only. The business model prioritizes price over protection. Quality varies wildly by location with franchise-style oversight. Drive past Murphy USA to Costco, often the same price or cheaper. Top-tier certified with modern underground tanks and actual corporate accountability. Subscribe now so you don't miss more money-saving automotive insights. Gas station brand number 5. Speedway, the octane fraud. Over 3,200 Speedway stations nationwide. Feels like a trusted American brand. In 2021, 7-Eleven purchased Speedway for $21 billion. Everything changed. After acquisition, Speedway lost top-tier status. What was already questionable fuel quality got worse. Here's where it gets criminal. A New Hampshire case revealed state inspectors found a Speedway advertising 93 octane premium that actually delivered 92.5 octane. The owner's defense: 92.5 rounds up to 93. The inspector's response: violation stands, no rounding allowed. Half an octane point matters more than you think. Vehicles requiring 93 octane like Subaru WRX, BMW models, Mercedes AMG, and Audi S models getting 92.5 experience engine knock. The computer retards timing and pulls power. You lose 10 to 15% performance. BMW and Volkswagen forums document multiple Speedway locations delivering 87 octane when customers paid for 93. Detection came through data logging and performance monitoring. Most states test octane only once per year. Between inspections, stations can deliver 87 instead of 93 for 364 days before anyone checks. Independent lab analysis of Speedway Premium from 12 locations found 4 out of 12 tested below advertised octane. 8 of 12 had detergent levels below top-tier standards. Here's a question that should keep you up at night. How do you know if bad gas is already damaging your engine right now? Your check engine light only comes on after the problem gets serious. By then, you're looking at real money. An OBD2 scanner, like the Blue Driver, connects to your phone and shows fuel trim issues, misfire codes, and NOx sensor warnings before they become expensive repairs. Takes 30 seconds to plug in and tells you exactly what's happening inside your engine. If you've been using Speedway or any of these other brands, run a scan. You might catch a problem before it catches your wallet. Link below. Use Chevron, Shell, Costco, or Mobil instead for guaranteed octane accuracy, and consistent detergent levels. Gas station brand number 6, Pilot Flying J, the trucker trap. Most people assume professional truckers demand the highest fuel quality, so truck stops must have premium gasoline. That assumption will cost you thousands. Pilot Flying J operates over 640 locations nationwide. Here's what the industry hides from highway drivers. Truck stops generate 80 to 90% of fuel revenue from diesel sales. Gasoline is a pure afterthought. All quality control focuses on diesel. Your gasoline gets whatever's left over. Pilot Flying J has refused to join the top-tier program. Why? The extra 0.7 cents per gallon for proper detergents cuts into profit margins on their lowest volume product. The quality gap is staggering. Diesel testing happens weekly. Diesel tank maintenance includes monthly inspections. Gasoline testing is state-mandated only. Once per year, gasoline quality control is minimal at best. Gasoline additive packages use the cheapest available options. A forum study spanning 2019 to 2024 with 847 participants found regular truck stop gasoline users reported rough idle developing by 25,000 miles versus 60,000 plus with top tier. Carbon cleaning needed 40,000 miles earlier than normal. For frequent highway drivers, truck stop fuel destroys engines faster while charging premium prices for discount quality. But Pilot Flying J isn't the only offender on the highway. Gas station brand number 7, Love's. The trucker trap continues. Love's operates another 644 locations across America's highways. Same business model, same problem, diesel first, gasoline last. Like Pilot Flying J, Love's has refused to join the top-tier program. The reasoning is identical. Proper detergent additives cost money they don't want to spend on low-margin gasoline sales. The 10-year truck stop fuel cost breakdown is brutal. Premium paid over city prices amounts to roughly $300 per year. Over 10 years, that's $3,000 extra. Carbon buildup repair needed earlier than normal costs, $1,500 to $3,500. Fuel economy loss from deposit buildup totals $480 to $960. Total 10-year loss, $4,000 to $12,500. You paid more for worse fuel and still got hit with repair bills. Truck stop gas is acceptable only in genuine emergencies. Fuel light on with no alternative within 30-plus miles. Severe weather evacuation, medical emergency, that's it. Before road trips, use Gas Buddy or the top-tier Station Finder app. Map certified stations along your entire route. Set fuel alerts at half tank so you're never desperate enough to settle for truck stop garbage. Top-tier stations common on interstates include Costco, Shell, Marathon, and Quick Trip. Plan ahead. Your engine will thank you. Gas station brand number 8. Independent and unbranded stations. The Russian roulette. You see quick stop, fast fuel, or generic unbranded stations and think local business. Probably fine. Save 10 to 20 cents per gallon. Here's the reality. Major brands purchase from specific refineries and add proprietary additives. Independent stations buy from whoever's cheapest that week. Discount brokers, surplus batches, lowest bidder suppliers. Without corporate branding, there's no oversight on tank maintenance, no standardized detergents, no accountability if fuel damages your vehicle. A 2016 Georgia Department of Agriculture study found independent stations had 3 times higher violation rates than branded stations. Water contamination accounted for 20.7% of violations versus 7.2% at branded locations. Independents had 291% more quality issues. A 2023 Pennsylvania case, an unbranded station sold contaminated gasoline to 47 customers. Total damages, $127,000. The owner filed bankruptcy. Customers recovered $0. No insurance, no corporate parent, nothing. The savings math, 15 cents per gallon saves $90 yearly. Fuel economy loss of 2 to 4% costs $48 to $96 annually. Savings negated. Contamination risk 3 times higher. Avoid unbranded stations unless top-tier certification is visually confirmed on the pump. Gas station brand number 9. Wawa. The convenience store con over 1,100 Wawa locations across the Mid-Atlantic. Famous for hoagies, coffee, and cheap gas. Ranked number 1 in and customer satisfaction for convenience stores. Here's what that ranking doesn't tell you. Wawa is not top-tier certified, never has been. Their fuel meets only bare minimum EPA standards. That customer satisfaction score is based on food service, not fuel quality. Their hoagies are legendary. Their gas is not. July 2024 exposed the real risk. A Wawa station in Richboro, Pennsylvania sold contaminated fuel affecting over 30 drivers. Vehicles sputtered, stalled, and refused to start within minutes of filling up. Repair costs ranged from $3,000 to $4,500 per vehicle. The local mechanic said his phone rang off the hook with identical complaints, all traced to the same Wawa location on the same 2 days. Wawa admitted the contamination and has a fuel quality guarantee. Sounds good until you read the fine print. You need an A8 certified technician from the Institute for Automotive Service Excellence to diagnose the problem. Your trusted local mechanic might not qualify. That disqualifies your claim. High-friction process designed to discourage payouts. Meanwhile, Costco offers top-tier certified fuel, often at the same price or cheaper than Wawa. Better fuel, lower price, no hoagie required. The convenience isn't worth the risk. Gas station brand number 10, Sheetz. The price match scam. Over 750 Sheetz locations across Pennsylvania, Virginia, West Virginia, Maryland, North Carolina, and Ohio. Known for cheap gas and made-to-order food. Here's the problem nobody talks about. Sheetz is not top-tier certified. They charge the same price as Shell, Exxon, and other top-tier brands in most markets. You're paying premium prices for minimum quality fuel. That's not savings, that's a scam. Sheetz sources fuel from regional refiners and adds only EPA minimum detergent levels. They openly admit meeting requirements rather than exceeding them. The difference matters. A Volkswagen dealership mechanic reported almost all fuel-related issues. They service come from vehicles using Sheetz gasoline, clogged injectors, stuck valves, carbon buildup problems. Forum users document check engine lights appearing after consistent Sheetz use that cleared within weeks of switching to top-tier brands. Same car, same driving habits, only variable change was fuel source. Sheetz has a fuel guarantee similar to Wawa, but proving fuel caused your damage is an uphill battle most drivers lose. The competitor down the street selling top-tier fuel at the same price makes Sheetz impossible to justify. Quick Trip is top-tier, certified, and price competitive. So is Costco. Even some regional chains like Get Go earned certification. Sheetz chose not to. That tells you everything about their priorities. Your engine isn't one of them. Here's what we exposed today. BP and Amoco abandoned top-tier certification to save fractions of a penny. Circle K rebranded and dropped quality standards entirely. Arco sold 70% water disguised as premium fuel. Murphy USA offered $500 for $15,000 in contamination damage. Speedway delivered 87 octane when customers paid for 93. Independent stations have 3 times higher violation rates with zero accountability. Pilot Flying J and Loves treat gasoline as a diesel afterthought. Wawa's customer satisfaction comes from hoagies, not fuel quality. Sheetz charges top-tier prices for EPA minimum gas, 10 brands, millions of drivers, billions in hidden damage. The solution is simple. Use top-tier certified brands exclusively: Chevron, Shell, Costco, Mobil, Marathon, Quick Trip. These companies invested in proper detergent packages because they understand your engine matters. The extra 3 cents per gallon costs $18 annually. Carbon buildup repair runs $1,500 to $3,500. Top-tier fuel pays for itself nearly 200 times over. Check the top-tier website or download their Station Finder app. Know before you go, hit that like button if this video saved you money. Subscribe to the channel for more content that protects your wallet and your engine. Your car is only as good as what you feed it. Fuel smart. Drive far.